Sure. Come on, Levi. Yeah, come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Yeah, come on. Go to the back door. Yeah, I'll let you in. Cold. Come on. Come on, Lee. Yeah, I got food in the house. So it's a no, huh? What was she doing in the shed? Let me see who's in there. Oh, it's Maggie. Hi, Maggie. Hi, Maggie. Who else is in there? Oh, Grandpa Butter. You having sex with Maggie? Making some pretty kittens? Yeah. Look at him. His paw ain't hurting no more. Did you forget about your hurting paw? Yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on, here with Levi. Come on. Oh. Yeah, it's Levi. Paw don't hurt when you're having babies, huh? Making babies. Little boy. Little boy. You want to come in? You want to come in? Grandpa Butter must be an indoor cat. Yeah, he likes the water. It's clean water. Yeah, it's you. It can have it. Oh, he likes tuna. Yeah, I gotta feed these guys. You can have what's left in the can. That's Grandpa Butter, Levi. Yeah, that's Grandpa Butter. He's an old cat. He's at least 11 years old. Yeah. That's Dandelion's brother. That's Dandelion's brother. Yeah, he's like in the Maggie's out here. He's gonna make babies with Maggie. Okay, come on. Yeah, you get along with him. He's a good old cat.